Well, hello everyone. Welcome back for another video. Okay, so in this video, what is happening that I just ordered this paper-like protector from AliExpress, and just wanted to show you the demonstration of applying this protector on my iPad Pro 10.5 inches, which is 2018 model. Okay, so right now I'm arranging all the stuff which I took out from the screen protector's box. So the initial step is to clean your iPad screen with the alcoholic pad which are already provided in it, and you've got to make sure that you clean all the green stuff, and then apply some sanitizing or alcoholic base liquid for further cleaning, and then clean it a little bit more, um, take out all the granules from the screen, and just use a soft cloth then. Now I'm using the nylon cloth to even take out all the things, and right now I'm using this sticker which was provided in the package as well. So now I'm placing the screen protector and checking the size, and now after removing the first film of the screen protector, what I'm doing is here that I'm trying to stick it, but you got to make sure that all your the fan in your room is turned off, or maybe your air condition, because it contains a lot of dirt particles which can ruin then the screen of the new protector. So now taking the pressing tool and taking out all the rest air which is being stuck in this protector. So yeah, now we're just pressing the entire screen, taking out all the bubbles which are still present in the screen. And well, this process is a little bit delicate, so you're gonna make sure that do not press that much, because that will hurt and damage your screen as well. Well, now removing the final film, and yes, we are done with the protector. It's already on the screen, and yeah, just for the final touch. Now I'm going to show you the sound. Perfect. Well, thank you so much.